Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Josephat. So I have decided to make this video so as to keep on encouraging those people who are looking forward into joining the online course that we have prepared together with my friend Brighton. Me and Brighton, because we have got opportunity to have these skills, so we thought it's good to share skills to other people. And as days go right now, many companies and organizations are really looking forward into doing data-driven decisions. So data analysis has become a skill which is like something that everybody needs. It adds value, and according to research, the companies and organizations which are data-driven are much more efficient as compared to the ones which are not. So we have decided to create this course. It's going to be online course, and pretty much everyone is welcome. So there is no someone who is like typical somebody who is wanted to join this course. Anyone can join this course. You just need to have a will to learn, and a will to use data in your daily activities, or if not something that you're doing right now, maybe it's something that you're looking forward into doing in the future. So any person, a student, a researcher, a statistician, a data analyst, business analyst. So we have actually created this course in such a way that you will be able to learn from the basics to the level whereby you'll be able to do your own projects. And we have made it very cost friendly because we have realized many people need it, and we didn't want cost to be an obstacle for people to joining and getting these skills. So as you can see from the schedule that we have already shared, that we start from the very beginning, from the basics, and then as time goes, you'll be getting to get more and more skills. And our idea at the end of the day, we want to make sure that everyone is going to have a project. So we are going to make sure that we mentor people from the beginning to the point whereby they'll be able to deliver their project, they'll be able to share their project. And this project can be part of their resume, part of their CVs. So this is actually going to be a very beginning of you being a programmer, of you being a data analyst with R. So apart from having the project done, certificates of participation, but we have also included the section whereby we'll be sharing our experiences. Brighton has got his own experience, I've got my own experience, a little bit different, but we will share the journey from just becoming a non-data analyst or non-data scientist to being where we are. And this experience sharing will include the learning process, but also what has data science or data analysis done to our day-to-day activities, our daily activities, basically. And something which is like very special to this course is we are going to make sure that it's going to be hands-on, practical. So we are not just lecturing and teaching and saying what we know, but we'll be making sure that everyone is taking part in everything we are doing, so that at the end of the day, you don't have to sit and wonder, what can I do? At the end of every section, you'll do something. At the end of the day, you'll have something which has already been done by yourself. So this is something that is missing in so many courses out there. But also we are going to be working on real life data sets, real life projects. And this is something which is different when you go to see other courses out there. So most of times they'll share you the data sets which are inbuilt data set, which most of the time they're very like direct. Okay, we'll get some time to use some inbuilt data set, but we know that it's very important for you to have a real life data set, because dealing with a real life data set is different from how you deal with the data set which is being designed in the sense that it has to be used for practice. So the real data set are the real deal, because they have all these kind of noises and dirty that you have to deal with. So that is something very special about this course. But also just sharing the relevant experiences that Brighton and I are going to share with you, some of the things that we pass through into this career, so that you have a sense of how does this go, and what to expect in the future. So we have decided to make the cost to be very friendly. It's 150,000 Tanzanian shillings until Monday, and then from there it's going to be double that, because we want to make sure that we have people who are serious in the beginning, to make sure that we don't we become focused. So we want to be focused in the beginning. We don't have these, we don't want to have this delay into getting started with the people that we want to build. We wanted a small number of people, but because we thought that many people might be interested, then we had to put the cost very friendly as it is right now. And I guess in the future it's gonna be more than that. So please take this opportunity, take a good care of this opportunity right now. So the idea is to make sure that we finish the registration a week before we start the course, so that we will have to orient these people before that time. We don't want anything to lose our focus. We want this course to be very strict, to be very serious, to be something that is going to be very beneficial to other people. So we want to clear all these other things before we start learning. So when you start learning, it's just learning. That is basically everything that I wanted to share. I know you have got access to the course. If you don't have, I'm gonna share the link to the group that we share the updates, and from there you'll be able to get any updates and how to join the course. And in case there is any question out there, please don't hesitate to ask the question. You can go to the WhatsApp group and ask the question right there. We'll be able to reply to you, but also you can also write a comment on this video if it suits you, and then we'll be able to reply to you. What can I say? Welcome. Welcome. And for sure, this is going to be a very valuable experience to you, and I'm quite sure that you're going to benefit from this course, and it's going to be a very important thing in your career. I hope this decision is going to change and transform your career, and you'll be proud of it. I'm sure of that. There are so many other things I've not said, but if you get to read the program brief, you'll be able to see anything, even the things that I've not mentioned, and then you'll make a decision, and then we are welcoming you, looking forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.